Hi, it's VJ with Magnolia Knife Sharpening, and I'm just going to do a quick demo of how we're putting on these little gaskets that add a little bit of friction to the knob for our knife jig retrofits. So now instead of free spinning, there's some friction there, and so when you're working, this knob won't move around. And so in order to do that, the existing posts don't have a groove in here. And so we mill a little groove into here, and then we put that gasket on there, the oval O-ring. So let's go over to the mill and get this going here. So I'm just going to set this up. So this is my Bridgeport milling machine, and got one already set up in here. I'll pull this back, drop my end mill down there. Lock it in place. And now, turn it on. I'm going to bring it in. So I'm going to bring this all the way to 0. I've already measured it all out, and so all I have to do is put that on 0, lock this in place. Now we'll create the groove by rotating the piece. Go around one more time just to finish it. Still some little bits kind of flying off there, so a couple of passes is a good thing. Do it until we don't see any more bits, kind of like popping popcorn. There we go. Do that, and then we'll raise our mill back up and pop this out. And there's the end result. A nice little groove for an O-ring. Thanks.